Hey, Mama. I put some eggs and cookies over there. Cookie done. Okay, so. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome, Mama. I know you love them eggs.
Bing, bing,
Now, where's those little kids? You hiding them back there? Oh, so good. Oh, you really like those. All right, well, where are they at?
Stop it.
No, I'm not. You show your kids later. You're keeping them safe. That's a good mama. Bon appetit.